Keto mwandu keto jata tije maduong' maka NHIF Elijah Wachira e orindi maliet e mibadhi mar lowo eka 9.2 mar NHIF mano onyiew kod omenda maromo milion 93. Jakom komitino Emmanuel Wangwe kod jaod bura Mandhiwa Martin Owino owuok mager kadwaro ng'eyo gimomiyo kambi mar Crown Freight bende ng'ur ni lobno en margi. Jata tije Elijah Wachira kata kamano ne ogo bade piny e wi moko kuom obok mane janon buge omenda mag piny owacho pod ok oyango ne makare kaluwore ni en wuon to en mana kod juma achiel kende nyaka njo mak lemono.
How much return on investment would you have gotten from that 1.4 billion? Give us the amount we've lost as a country by virtue of that decision of the management.
There were money in the account the board wanted to spend. So they decided to buy lifts, which is costing the money in the account. Eventually, once the money was somewhere there, they realized that these lifts are not important, but now we have the money.
If you say you own it, I will really pray for you, because you are owning what you don't know. So your request is good, but just for future deliberations, please verify them and own them. And if you don't put them here, because these are public documents and may really get you to another corner which you don't do.
The National Land Commission indeed notified NHIF of the inquiry as mandated under Section 6 of the National Land Commission Act. NHIF attended the inquiry on 15th June 2017 and made its submissions before the Commission.
Doho ma Nairobi oyie kwayo